Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is a tasty one. It's the homemade popsicle mold. So are you ready to transform your summer with the ultimate icy delight? Well, this silicone homemade popsicle maker is your ticket to refreshing homemade popsicles that are as fun to make as they are to eat. So what will you get with this kit? You get the durable BPA-free mold, which makes your popsicles easy to release. A recipe book packed with delicious ideas to get started. Sturdy, reusable sticks, perfect for handling even the chunkiest of treats. A funnel and cleaning brush to make pouring and cleaning a breeze. With these endless flavor combinations, you're sure to create fun for all ages. It's perfect for home or at parties. Say goodbye to store-bought popsicles and hello to fun times and great memories. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.